team, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm showing you how to make your shito with the shito powder we made in the last video, so please stay tuned and don't skip anything. I have my frying pan on heat. I'll add oil. Add enough oil. You know, shito needs oil, so add enough oil to it. I'll let the oil heat up. I'll drop in my tomato paste. In this recipe I am using the large tomato paste. This is about 2.5 cups. It's gonna be like 3 cups. Stir it. Continue to stir it because you don't want it to burn. Fry it for 10 minutes. Add water to it. Not a lot of water, just add a little water to it. Stir it up. Cover it for 5 minutes. Then you stir it again. Please don't leave it on the fire for a long time because it's going to burn. This is my shito powder. I'll drop everything in it. I'm using it all because the tin tomato paste is no can. So when you are making it, just watch the ratio of your tomato paste and your shito powder. Just stir everything together. At this point, if you want your shito to become more, you can blend onion and add to it, but at this point you don't need to add anything. It is okay. Just stir it up and cover it. Every 5 to 7 minutes stir it, because if you leave it like this it's just going to bend. So every 5 to 7 minutes just stir it up, then cover it again. When you're cooking, making your shito with shito powder, everything they inside. All you need is oil, tomato paste, and your seasoning of your choice. That is all you need. If you have not watched the video where we made shito powder, I will link it to this video at the end, so go and watch how you can make your own shito powder at home. It is a little bit stressful but easy. I would say easy, stressful, but it's worth it. So this is my spices that I'll be using. Maggi cube, salt, nutmeg, adebo, and shito season. Use any season of your choice. And I'll stir everything. You can add more oil to it, but I'll be storing mine in the fridge, so I don't need a lot of oil. But if you will not be storing yours in the fridge, just add more oil to it. Let the oil cover the surface, and you'll be good to go. Just look at that. Our shito is ready. This is so simple, so simple. You just make your shito powder, set it aside. Anytime you want to make a delicious shito, you just bring it out and just make it. And you are not going to take not more than 1 hour to make it. And it tastes really good. So if you don't know how to make shito, how to combine things to make shito, you need this recipe. You need it. Make sure you keep stirring it till you reach your ending point. Just look at that. Just look at this. It is ready.